Imagine being able to make as much money as possible and as many times as possible without having to own a camera or have any skills or prior knowledge to participate in today's method. All you're going to do is choose from any of the selection of photos, hit on the download button, and just like that, there goes your payment straight into whatever payment method it is that you desire. You'll be witnessing another extraordinary way to make money online while being your own boss and the owner of your own time. It's free, it's simple, and it's available worldwide, guaranteeing that everyone has the same opportunity. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer. It doesn't really matter. And of course, a stable internet connection. So make sure that you have that as well, because we're going to walk you through today's method step by step so that you can follow along. Make sure to watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you don't get confused about today's method and that you don't miss any important details, because if you do, chances are you won't get the results you want. Before we get into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first website that we're going to be talking about is called create.vista.com. And what this website does is that it does graphic designing. It's a designer website basically. So you can go onto this website and explore thousands and thousands of templates for Facebook posts, Facebook stories, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube videos, short videos, and a whole lot more. But that's pretty much what this website does. So first things first, you're going to want to sign up on this website, and to do so, just click on the sign up button on the upper right corner of the page. And just a heads up, it's a completely free website. Everything from the registration all the way to its perks are completely free. So don't even worry about it. But to give you guys a little bit of additional information, they do have pricing plans that cater to different benefits. For example, if you're looking to make use of today's method in the long run or for a long term, you must subscribe and pay $10 each month. And you have to realize that this $10 is nothing compared to how much money you're going to be making. With what we are going to teach to you today, moving on, once you clicked on the sign up, you're going to be brought to this page where you can sign up with either your Google, Facebook, Apple, or Visa print account, or you can also have the option to just sign up manually by entering in your email address and password, and then just hit on sign up. Once you're ready, and just like that, you should have yourself a Create Vista account ready and set to go. Now you're logged in, and as you can see, you can use the advantage of all the templates offered to you for completely free. You can do Instagram stories, posts, Facebook stories, Facebook posts, video posts, literally, you name it. This website has it all ready for you. The thing with this website is that it does basically everything for you. If you're someone without an ounce of creativity in their whole body, this website is still going to cater for you. But if you are someone with some creativity in them, then this website will also help better execute whatever designs you have in mind. Isn't that awesome? This website gives you freedom to change things up in a template in the way that you want to. So if you want to change the font, go ahead. If you want to change the color palette, feel free to do so. If you want to replace the photos or adding your own, why not? You can do literally anything and everything, and that's why we love it here so much. Now, despite it being free, it isn't selfish about its benefits, which is rare when it comes to free websites that focus on creating designs like these, because you're not paying for anything. You're really only going to be getting a small portion of what the entire website is, so that you'll have no choice but to pay. Anyway, here's what you're gonna see once you've chosen a template edit. Like we've already mentioned, you can do absolutely anything and everything to this template. Change the font, the size, the colors, the animation, the graphics, literally everything. And that's why this website is absolutely amazing. Before we get to continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. And don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below. Now that we've gone in depth with what Create Vista is and what it does, let's now dive into how we're going to get paid. Go ahead and open up Latium.org. And this is the website that's going to be paying us to use Create Vista. So, as you can probably already tell, this website is for freelancers. So freelancers on this website can sell their talents here and earn from them. Now, as you can see, they offer a lot of services like graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation video, animation music, audio programming, tech, business, lifestyle, and a whole lot more. Now, you want to join this website first by clicking on the I Want to Work button right here. Since we want to work, that is the reason why we're here. And then once you click on that, this should pop up. So go ahead and enter in your email address and then click on Continue, and go ahead and continue on with the rest of the steps just like that. And after you've completed everything, you should have yourself a Latium account up and ready to go and make some money for you. Now that you have an account, we want you to focus on the graphics and design services because that's what we're going to be doing. And that's how we're going to make money. And as you can see, there are a lot of people selling their services for a lot of money. And that is exactly what we want to see because this is how much we could be making. Okay, now go back to Create Vista and look up logo in the search box, and then you're going to be shown all of the templates for logos. Now remember, the designers might have to start from complete scratch, but not us because we have templates from Create Vista all ready to go. Just choose any of the templates, of course, depending on what your customer wants. Then you're simply going to edit and alter the ready-made template, changing the text accordingly as per instruction by your customer, the theme, the colors, whatever they specifically instructed you to do. And once that's all done, all you have to do is download it by clicking the download button and then just email it to your customer, and just like that, you're gonna get paid in a snap. Now remember, the more designs you create, the more money you'll make. So post listings for logo designs, thumbnail designs, cover designs, and everything else in between, because in that way you can get more customers and in turn, you can get more money. So make sure you try this website out and let us know what you think in the comments down below. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit that subscribe button and notification down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.